Hey there! Welcome back to Hello and Grace. Here you'll find easy tutorials and helpful tips. If you want to learn more and stay updated, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. I have a document here with a spelling and grammar mistake. I need to receive the package tomorrow. Before anyone sees this, let's fix it. First, open Chrome and search for Grammarly. Click the official Chrome web store link. You'll be taken to Grammarly's page. On the top right, click Add to Chrome. It's free. Click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. Wait a moment while it installs. Once it's ready, Grammarly can work on Google Docs, Gmail, Outlook, and more so, you can avoid typos before sending anything important. Now, let's go back to our sentence. Let's pin our Grammarly extension. Look for the Grammarly icon in the bottom right corner of the document. Let's just wait for a while. There it is. It shows two errors. Click the icon and Grammarly will display suggestions. You can accept or dismiss them. And it even explains why the sentence is wrong. Let's accept the corrections. And just like that, our sentence is fixed. Now you're on point. This is the corrected version. Clean, clear, and correct. And that's how easy it is to use Grammarly to polish your writing. If this helped you, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and tools that make life easier. Got a topic you want me to cover? Drop it in the comments.